Whether you're stepping into high school, college, or university, these essentials are going to make your academic journey not just easier, but seriously stylish. Backpack. The first item is a backpack. A backpack is not only a practical way to carry your books, laptop, and other essentials, but also a fashion statement that reflects your personality and style. You want to choose a backpack that is durable, comfortable, and spacious enough for your needs. You also want to pick a color and design that matches your outfits and preferences. Some of the best backpack brands that I recommend are Herschel, Fjällräven, Jansport, and the North Face. To discover additional backpack options, please check out the description below where you'll find links. Power bank. The second item is a power bank. A power bank is a portable device that can charge your phone, tablet, or laptop when you don't have access to a power outlet. We all know how fast our devices can drain during those long lectures. A power bank ensures you stay connected all day long. No more worrying about your phone dying during a crucial moment. Some of the best power bank brands that I recommend are Anker, WAV Power, Aukey, and Mophie. For more power bank choices, please refer to the description below, where you'll find links. Water bottle. The third item is a bottle of water. A bottle of water is a must-have for staying hydrated and healthy throughout the day. Water helps you flush out toxins, improve your skin, boost your energy, and prevent headaches. You should drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, especially. A bottle of water can help you keep track of your water intake and remind you to drink more often. You want to choose a bottle that is reusable, leak-proof, and easy to clean. You also want to pick a size and shape that fits your backpack and your hand. Some of the best bottle brands that I recommend are Hydro Flask, Nalgene, Camelback, and Contigo. For a wider selection of water bottle options, kindly consult the description below, where you'll locate links. Tech kit. A tech kit is a small pouch or case that contains all the accessories and gadgets that you need for your electronic devices. For example, you might need a USB cable, a power bank, a pair of earphones, a mouse, or a flash drive. A tech kit, your secret weapon for handling all those gadgets. It keeps your cables and accessories neat, organized, and ready for action. No more frantic searches in your bag. You want to choose a tech kit that is compact, lightweight, and secure. You also want to pick a material and color that suits your style and preference. Some of the best tech kit brands that I recommend are Bagsmart, Cocoon, Procase, and Amazon Basics. To explore a broader range of tech kit choices, please refer to the description below, where you'll discover links. Notebook. Let's talk old school. A notebook is an essential tool for taking notes, writing down ideas, planning projects, or doodling sketches. A notebook can help you improve your memory, creativity, and productivity. You want to choose a notebook that is high quality, durable, and easy to write on. You also want to pick a format and layout that matches your needs and preferences. Some of the best notebook brands that I recommend are Moleskine, LuCht Tor M1917, Rhodia, and Field Notes. To explore a wider variety of notebook options, please refer to the description below, where you'll find links. Pen. A pen is an indispensable tool for writing, drawing, or marking on your notebook or paper. A pen can help you express yourself clearly and accurately. You want to choose a pen that is smooth, comfortable, and reliable. You also want to pick a type and color that suits your style and preference. Some of the best pen types that I recommend are ballpoint pens for everyday writing, gel pens for smooth writing, fountain pens for elegant writing, or marker pens for colorful writing. To discover a broader range of pen choices, please consult the description below, where you'll find links. So these are the 6 items that I think you should have for going back to school or university. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Also, let me know in the comments below what are some other items that you think are essential for students. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.